we are going to learn is medical aspect of virginity and fertility. So, टॉपिक शुरू करने से पहले हम लोग एक कोर्ट रूम में The courtroom is very silent. केस चल रहा है एक 19-year-old girl named Mika. She has experienced the worst experience of her life. She is traumatized. Rape case था. She is a rape survivor. डॉक्टर को पूछा, what is your conclusion of the examination and analysis which you carried out? And then the conclusion was read out to be, the individual is habituated to intercourse. The accused smiled. The lawyer of the opposite side smiled, and the case was dismissed. Yes, I am talking about the Mathura case, which was जो कर्नाटका में हुआ था. सेम थिंग हुई थी कि टेस्ट वगैरह किया एंड देन द कंक्लूजन वाज दैट दिस पर्सन वाज हैबिचुएटेड टू सेक्स एंड द केस वाज बैंड. बट ये टू फिंगर टेस्ट में उसकी वर्जिनिटी का टेस्ट किया था. तो व्हाट एक्चुअली इज वर्जिनिटी? व्हाट एक्चुअली इज वर्जिनिटी? कोई डेफिनेशन है किसी के पास? अरे यार अभी तो बोली थी. See, virginity is, there is no such concept like virginity in medical books, in medical literature. There is no concept. It is a social and more like a cultural topic है virginity, right? So, इतना virginity करते हैं, बोलते हैं कि the one who has have had sexual intercourse or more like has had penetration. Like अगर डॉक्टर क्यूट्रस के कोई वीडियो देखा होगा तो there she has mentioned that if you even have inserted any such object then you will not be considered a virgin. तो ये virgin बोलते तो रहते हैं, but virginity होता क्या है भाई? अरे हाँ ना बोल. अरे अभी तो कहा there is no medical concept. सोच क्यों रहे हो? It is a social and cultural norm. अपने मेडिकल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ओके. तो वर्जिनिटी का मेडिकल लीगल इंपॉर्टेंस में जैसा कि अभी सर ने कहा कि the hymen is checked, the laxity of vagina is checked, and second of all, फॉर्शट का स्कारिंग देखते हैं. So ये नॉर्मल एनाटॉमी हमने अभी देखी. This is the real image. And these are the types of hymen. Like, see, every female in this room, देखो सबकी ना फिंगरप्रिंट अलग होती है, उसी तरह सबके हाइमेन के शेप अलग होते हैं. And these are the ones. Confusion पता है किधर आता है? इस वाले में, fimbriated one. Like it is very often confused with a torn hymen. Never say absence one. Like sir ने अभी बताया, torn याद रखियो. ओके. तो हाइमेन टॉन है या नहीं, इसे हम ये बोलते हैं कि अच्छा ये इंटरकोर्स वगैरह हो गया है, बट हाउ वाज दैट पेनिट्रेशन? उसको असेस करने के लिए ना क्लॉक मेथड है. क्लॉक मेथड. तो अगर हाइमेन का जो टेयर है वो 5 o'clock से 7 o'clock के बीच में, यानी see this, इधर ऐसे, इधर से इतने भी, then external penetration is possible. Second, कि अगर डिजिटल हुआ तो सेल्फ तो ऊपर होगा from 2 to 11. क्या बोला?
2 to 11.
Yes. बट पता है कभी कभी ना ऐसी एनोमली भी होती है कि इस वाले ऑक्लॉक पे कंजेनिटली उनका स्पेस प्रेजेंट होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस, राइट? ये डीप लेफ्ट होता है, कभी कभी ट्रांसैक्शन होता है. द सेम थिंग आई टोल्ड. सो हाउ कैन यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन अ टॉन एंड जो अभी पता है ना वो सबसे ज्यादा झोल करवाने वाला फिब्रिएटेड वन? एनी आइडिया? which is checked is the mirroricity. ये जो फिब्रिएटेड वन वाला होगा ना, मिरर इमेज एकदम सिमेट्रिकल होगा. वो अपन अपने नीट डेज में केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ते थे ना, आइसोमर वगैरह, एकदम सिमेट्रिकल होगा. Whereas here it won't be present. Second thing which is mentioned is don't extend to the periphery, whereas the tone hymen does extend to the periphery. ये ना पेपर की तरह फटा लिम्स पे नहीं, बट ये हो सकता है. The second thing is जो mucous membrane notches पे होगी ना, fibriated वालों में very intact. Like this picture is very beautiful. किसी को फोटो लेना हो तो ले लेना, वरना I will send it. In fibriated one it will be intact, whereas in the torn one it will legit be torn. But पता है hymen से वैसे penetration वगैरह से नहीं like tear होता. Like there are many other factors which leads to tearing of hymen. तो वो कौन से हो सकता है? Like every that activity that causes a stretching in your perineal area, which can be many. कोई gymnastics कर रहा है, उसमें होगा. कोई tampon use कर रहा है, उसमें होगा. Someone loves cycling, someone loves horse riding, उसमें भी हो सकता है. So these are some such activities wherein hymenal torn tear can be observed. As I mentioned, cycling, horse riding, gymnastics, usage of tampons. These are just some of them. There are many such things which leads to a torn hymen. उसके पहले hymenal वाला पोर्शन हो गया. सेकंड पॉइंट कौन सा बताया था? सॉरी, अरे जोर से बोलो. देखो hymenal tear वाला हो गया. दूसरा पॉइंट कौन सा मैंने बताया था? Laxity of vagina, right? तो laxity of vagina, two finger test में जैसे कि बोला कि they insert the fingers, they check for the so-called tightness of vagina, कि कितना loose है and all. But the thing is, you just cannot comment upon that. See, मान लो yes, ये rubber band, ये मैंने खींचा, बहुत खींचा and then I let it go. फिर मैंने धीरे से खींचा and then I let it go. There are many factors which affects the muscles. Like see, your vagina is a hollow tube, and वहाँ जो muscles आते हैं, those are influenced by multiple factors which can either be hormonal, which can be genetic, and there are many other factors. Now imagine सबके अपने आप right hand, clench your fist very tightly, and then release it. अरे करो सब करो. Clench your fist very tightly and then let it go. थोड़ा हल्के से करो and now again let it go. Okay, अपने बाजू वाले को पूछो क्या आपका ओए ज्यादा नहीं सोचने का. अपने बाजू वाले को पूछो, ले मेरा हार्ट टच करके क्या पता चलेगा कि how many times your hand was squeezed? नहीं चलता ना. So the same thing. By doing that two finger test, you last listen. By doing the two finger test, oi piche, listen. It cannot be commented upon the sexual history of the person, because you know leucocity can be maintained by many other things. Our women can be pregnant and have an active sexual history, but still have the strength of the muscles very strong because she might be doing equal exercise, and someone who is physically inactive might not possess the same, right? This is the two finger test which was talked upon. So what does our conclusion say? The tearing of or the presence of a torn hymen doesn't depict the virginity is lost or the person have had sexual intercourse. Secondly, a loose or the non-flex vagina does not say that a person had a history of sexual intercourse. Same thing, and two finger test, it cannot determine it. So अभी अपने एग्जाम्पल से देखा ना कि no one cannot just say by touching your hand that how many times it was squeezed. So nor can a doctor say about the sexual history of a lady just by performing the two-finger test. And if someone does that, then that dude must also be reading palms and telling your future. WHO and UN has, देखो अपने इंडिया में ना in 2013 the test was banned, and you know WHO and UN legit declared it as a sexual violence against the individual. The same thing. So, is it scientific? अरे हाँ ना वो तो बोलो. No. Is it legal? No. अरे जोर से बोलो. Is it ethical? Okay. So, in our legal system, when medical evidence can make or break a case, how do we balance the need for a forensic exam with the survivor's right to dignity and bodily autonomy without compromising justice? In short, how can you solve justice without re-traumatizing the survivor? Is there any method? Any other method? Any alternative? अरे थोड़ा तो सोचो, कुछ भी बोलो, सर करेक्ट कर लेंगे. Anything? Yes.
ફોસા નેવિક્યુલારિસ એક્સટર્નલી જોઈન થઈ જાય, મતલબ એમાં ડિસઅપિયર થયું છે કે નહીં, સ્કારિંગ વગેરે બહારથી જ તે.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Any other thing? Any other thing? Yes. So that was about the session. Session is dismissed. Thank you for everything.